Today, I am reviewing the Momcozy AutoMeal Baby Food Maker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are tired of spending your entire Sunday afternoon standing over a stove, chopping vegetables, and then washing a mountain of pots and pans just to make a few ounces of baby food, you're going to want to hear this. I have been using the Momcozy AutoMeal Baby Food Maker for the past few weeks, and while it is not a magical replacement for parenting, it is easily one of the most practical kitchen gadgets I have picked up since my baby started solids. If you want to see the current pricing or check out the technical specs for yourself, you can find the link down below. The biggest selling point here is the one-step process. You chop your produce, toss it in, press a button, and walk away. I have used a few different methods for making purees, including the traditional steamer basket and food processor combo, and the real-world advantage of this unit is that you do not have to transfer hot, steaming vegetables from one container to another. That is where most of the mess happens and where you lose a lot of the nutrients that end up stuck to the sides of your blender. This unit keeps everything in one 15-ounce cup, which is the perfect size for batch cooking 3 or 4 meals at once. The 6-blade design is actually noticeable when you are working with fibrous vegetables like broccoli or carrots. I have used cheaper 4-blade models that leave little chunks of skin or tough fibers behind, but the Momcozy does a surprisingly good job of getting things to a very consistent, silky texture. I mostly use the smooth setting for my baby's first few weeks of solids, and it handled everything I threw at it without needing a second pass. If you are curious about the specific texture control, you can check the link in the description to see how the different settings look in action. However, it is not perfect. While the self-cleaning mode is a great marketing bullet point, you need to be realistic about what it actually does. It is fantastic for a quick rinse between batches, especially if you're making 2 different types of purees back to back. But if you let food sit in there and dry out, that self-clean mode is not going to replace a good manual scrub. You still have to take the cup apart and use the included brush to get into the crevices around the blade assembly. It is easy to do, but do not buy this thinking you will never have to wash a dish again. Another thing to keep in mind is the water reservoir. You have to make sure you are using distilled or filtered water if you live in an area with hard water, otherwise, you will see mineral buildup on the heating element pretty quickly. I learned that the hard way after a week of using tap water. If you see it starting to scale up, just run a vinegar cycle through it and it clears right up. It is a minor maintenance task, but it is one you cannot ignore if you want the machine to last. The interface is very straightforward, which is exactly what I need when I am running on 3 hours of sleep. It is not overly complicated with unnecessary menus. You have your texture settings, your auto steam and blend, and that is about it. It is very intuitive. The safety locks are also quite sensitive, which is good for peace of mind, but it does mean you have to make sure the cup is seated perfectly before it will start. If you get an error code, it is almost always because the cup is just a hair off center. Who is this for? This is for the parent who wants to provide healthy, homemade meals, but simply does not have the time to babysit a stove. It is a massive time saver if you are the type of person who likes to prep on a Sunday night and store food in the freezer for the week. If you are already committed to buying store-bought pouches for every single meal, this might be overkill, but the cost of this unit usually pays for itself after a few months of avoiding those expensive, organic, pre-packaged options. Who should avoid this? If you are looking for something to make large-scale, industrial amounts of food, this is not it. It is a compact countertop appliance, not a commercial processor. If you have a very small kitchen with limited counter space, you should measure your area first, although it is surprisingly slim compared to some of the bulkier models I have tested. Also, if you are strictly doing baby-led weaning and you only need to steam soft veggies without blending them, you might be better off with a simple steamer basket. Overall, the Momcozy AutoMeal is a solid, reliable tool that actually does what it claims to do. It handles the steam-to-blend transition smoothly, the texture control is genuinely useful as your baby grows, and it feels built to handle the daily grind of baby food production. It is not a miracle worker, but it makes a tedious chore significantly more manageable. If you want to look into the current pricing or see if it is the right fit for your kitchen, feel free to use the link below. It is a practical purchase that honestly makes the transition to solid foods a lot less stressful.